Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
नावेले ZP वेंचणूक हल्ल्या उपरांत काँग्रेस उमेदवार प्रतिमा कुतीनो नावेलचो आमदार लुइझिन फालेरोक जबाबदार धरीत काँग्रेस सोडली आनी उपरांत आम आदमी पार्टीत गेली. सगळे प्रकरण घडल्या उपरांत लुइझिन मिडिया मुखार पावलो. नावेलची तिकेट सर्गेस्त बाबुशाचे घरकान्नीक दिवची म्हूण खंय ताणें पक्ष फुडाऱ्यांक सांगिल्लें.
जेन्ना प्रतिमा मुजबर येयलें ताका सांगिल्लें चोय आमच्या AICCची मिटींग जाल्ली ऑन Zoom and the party leadership told me very clearly you go to Kerala to help the party. I had told them I am going after 1 week. They said no, you go immediately. And when Pratima and Frankie approached me, I told them I cannot come with you house to house. I had not gone house to house when Babush also contested. But I said, and they also said, please don't come. We are going house to house. We don't need your help. You can come and address the meetings after you come back from Kerala. So after I came back from Kerala, I addressed one meeting in Talauli, one meeting in Naveli, and one meeting in, not in my constituency, that is Dramapur, because Dramapur, Sirli and Sarudara doesn't fall under Naveli constituency. Please, when you are writing that it is Naveli and Luizinho Faleiro, you expect him to go to Naveli constituency, Veli constituency, house to house. I don't know. When Babush died, he died, one of the reasons I feel must be because of these elections. After he died, the one who was saying that I wanted to contest, I asked those people, are you interested in contesting? They said no. Then I asked all of them, all of them means people who met her. They said, you give the ticket to his widow because she will have a sympathy and they have worked hard. And this I had informed the party leadership, both in Goa and in Delhi. आता तुम्ही जो क्वेश्चन विचारला कोण नाखले का म्हणून दॅट इज रॉंग. देर वेर कॅन्डिडेट्स.
दुसरे वटेन GPCC अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार म्हणटा ह्या आदी फुडारी गेल्यात पक्षाचेर कांयच परिणाम जायना. साखळे मुख्यमंत्र्याक आव्हान दिवंक पत्रकार महादेव खांडेकार काँग्रेसीत पावलो. ताच्या पक्ष प्रवेशा वेळार गिरीश उलयलो.
So this come, many leaders have left in the past also, but it has not affected the party. Okay, in 2000, we were left with just 4 MLAs. All our elected MLAs have gone into installments. 1, 10, then again after another 3 months, another 10. Just 4 MLAs were left. So from there we have built the party.
Bureau Report, Prudent.